Hey folks, this is Nick with Coachmen RV. Today I'm going to show you the 260DS and all its new features and content. Plus I'm going to go over some of the chassis modifications, the construction, new features that we have coming out for 2026. So to show you the front cap, we've got these integrated lights, which are really nice. Before we did the LED lights, but now they're integrated on the front cap. We also have the wide running boards, which is going to be part of the Escalade package. We also have the heated side view mirrors as well. And instead of putting the camera on the chassis itself, you're going to find out that we have it right here on the sidewalls. So that's one of the things that we changed for 2026 model year. So coming along the coach, as you can see, we have a full-length awning. So unlike my hairline, this awning will cover front to back on the entire action side of the coach. Right here, you have an exterior TV. It's an option, but this is going to be a 12-volt TV. So all of our TVs inside and out are going to be 12-volt, which is good because now you don't have to run your generator as you're driving down the road. They're all 12-volt TVs. We'll move along over here. This is the standard feature. We're going to have tankless water heaters throughout all of our coaches. This is the tankless Fagatti. Over here, this is a new thing that we have. This is the outdoor kitchen table. If you recall, we've only had a exterior camp kitchen table. So this is going to be fully equipped with a sink, with a griddle. And right here is your access to cold and hot water. So that's a huge feature new to our 260DS floor model. All right, so next I want to talk about the construction of the coach. We're slightly different from most manufacturers. Yes, there are manufacturers that advertise ASDEL, but we take it one step further. Not only do we do it on the exterior, we also do it on the interior sidewalls. So all of our sidewalls completely full of ASDEL, and even the cab over bunk, the floor, is also ASDEL. So just keep that in mind. We all know what ASDEL is. It's water resistant, lighter than wood, and it'll run your ACs and furnace much more efficiently. So ASDEL throughout the entire side of the coach. And we also do a CRV super springs. So we do have a suspension package on our coach. So we add a super spring in the back. And we also add a sumo springs in the front. So just know that all of our Coachmen Class Cs, especially the ones with slide outs, will have a suspension package. And we'll walk around the back side of the coach. So we kind of changed it up. So now we added LED lights to the back of the coach. And on the top, if you put the brake lights on, this will turn red. So you've got integrated brake lights on the top half of this coach. Back here, you've got storage access. You've got a ladder prep, backup camera as well. And of course, all E450s tow 7,500 pounds, right? Come over here. This is the main storage access. It's rotocast. It's got drain plugs in them. Easy to clean out. You've got 2 access points to your storage. You got your water access right here, your fuel tank. Again, here's that nice sticker for the CRV Super Springs. Right here's your refrigerator access door. Now this is a standard feature. It used to be an option, but your AGS is going to be standard. So that's auto gen start. So 3 big things it does, right? It does temperature. You can control your temperature. You can monitor your battery voltage, and it also runs, quiet time hours, runtime hours. It's an app based, so you have to download the app and pair it with the coach. But you'll see the auto gen start always is going to be on the refrigerator access door. Underneath, you got the largest LP tank in a conventional Class C. This is 68 pounds of usable LP. It's an 86-pound tank, but just keep in mind, usable LP, 68 pounds. You're not going to find anything larger than that in a conventional Class C. And over here, we got our generator. Now this is going to be the biggest generator you're going to find in a conventional Class C with 30-amp service. This is an NPS 4500. It's a Yamaha engine. One of the cool things is it's got inverter technology, and if you flip this panel off, there's a key fob, so you can remote start the generator whether you're inside the coach or outside the coach. All right, so for the second half, we're going to go walk inside this coach. I'm going to point out some cool features that are new, the options, so on and so forth. So before we walk in, this coach is prepped with solar. It's not prepped, it actually has solar. You get 1 solar panel. It's a 200-watt solar panel, but it's prepped for 3, so you can add 600 watts. Along with that solar package, you also get upgraded AGM batteries. Without the solar package, you get two 12-volt batteries. So now you get AGM batteries, they're much more efficient, and they'll last a lot longer. You can see the controls over here. You got your Bigfoot hydraulic jacks, which are basically, I won't build without. You're going to see them on the 260DS. You have your solar panel right here, your controller. You got your battery disconnect. You got your patio light, cap light. That's the ones that light up in the front. And the rear cap light. That's the stuff that I showed you in the back. So we'll go ahead and walk in here. All right, so now for inside the coach, we're going to talk about this cabover. It's the largest cabover you're going to find in a conventional Class C. The weight capacity is 800 pounds. You basically get a queen bed right up top. And with that queen bed, you're going to get storage compartments up here. You got cup holders as well. You got USB ports in the back. Again, we talked about the 12-volt TVs. That's going to be up top on the cabover. You got a nice max air fan for people that want to sleep up top. And then you got a storage net that comes with the Escalade package as well. So largest cabover in the industry, 800 pounds. So just keep that in mind. Down here below, we have the optional swivel seats. And all it takes is 2 fingers. So both of these seats do swivel. And over here in the chassis, if you want to zoom in right here, we have a new feature called the emergency start. So now we have that equipped in our chassis. So if your chassis battery is dead or your house batteries are dead, you got the emergency start to start those batteries. We also have the CarPlay Dash radio right here. And you got the backup camera and side view cameras right here in the windshield. And if you come over here, these are the optional dual recliners. So what you're going to get is heat massage dual recliners. And over here is the Coachmen Signature J-Lounge dinette, which is great because it's not a fixed booth, not a fixed dinette, it's multifunctional. So sofa, bed, dinette. So you would pull this out, put your cushion from above, put it down, flip this board over, and make it into a bed. And if you look below, right here, look at this. We got a pull-out drawer, but check this out. We got a doggy tray. So we just put that in for 26 model year. So now you got a nice doggy bed over here, or doggy bowl. All right, so now we're gonna walk into the kitchen area. It's kind of a great floor plan. It's got this nice wrapped kitchen over here. We got these French doors for the 12-volt refrigerator. A nice freezer right here. You got a nice pantry, up and down pantry right here next to the refrigerator. Part of that Escalade package is you're gonna get a convection microwave with air fryer. Plenty of storage up top. You got storage here. These are all soft close. Right there. And you come over here, you got a nice square solid surface sink. You got a pull down sprayer as well. That's part of the Escalade package. And you even got a nice countertop extension. Now if you look above, we made a big change. So our ACs used to be 15K with heat pump and an 11K in the back. But now they're both 15Ks with heat pumps on a 30 amp coach. The reason why is these run amp hours between 7 and 9, which is more than enough power to run both ACs. Huge upgrade to a 30 amp coach. If you come over here, this is another control panel. You got your water pump, you got your tank heaters. Your slide mechanisms right here, your thermostat for the furnace. This is your AGS panel right here, and your tankless water heater as well. So we'll walk up into the bedroom. What's cool about this wardrobe, you got a pocket door right here, so if you slide this in, you'll have access to the wardrobe here, and access to the wardrobe here. And this is the best part. Coachmen RV, we're probably one of the few manufacturers that do 60 by 80 residential queen beds almost throughout all of our floor plans. So just keep that in mind, residential queen beds 60 by 80. And as you can see, this is a walk around queen bed. Up top, 15K AC with heat pump. Again, you can run both of them at the same time. And check out the bathroom. All right. Pretty simple, no counter space, right? But check this out. You can slide this over, and you got more counter space as well. Inside, you got your shower. What's cool about this is you got the shower aquamizer. So we talked about the tankless water heater. It's continuous. Well, this gives you instant hot water. So what you do is you basically turn this switch, and right now it's in the off position. You turn on the water, it's going to cycle through, and once this becomes white, then we're ready for hot water. So you turn this on, water comes out, and you're not wasting a single drop of your fresh water.